Hello everyone, it is FG Fills and I will be showing you. A few hours ago I told you that I would be making the Mandalorian starfighter and I have finally finished it. This is what my Lego room looks like from afar, and it comes with all the Mandalorians from the Mandalorian real series. The wings can lift up, and we got 2 Mandos inside and 1 Mando on the wing. These 2 things are the things that make it boost, and it can do a bunch of crazy stuff. And that is my 3rd review so far on Lego. Come back in a few days to see my 4th one, or probably a few weeks or months. But I will be using this Mandalorian starfighter in my future YouTube videos. So goodbye, guys.